What's up guys, today we're gonna create grass reacting to wind in Blender. Select the cube, X and delete. Shift A on the mesh at plane, S and move the mouse to make it bigger. Go on the particle system icon and click this plus. Change this to hair. And you want to decrease the hair length, maybe something to 1 meter. Now you can increase the number of particles right here. Now Shift A on the force field at wind. And GZ move this force field a little bit up. RX90 and click enter to rotate. And GY move this aside. Shift A on the force field add turbulence. And GZ move this a little bit up. Now you wanna animate this turbulence force field. So I'm gonna move this by GY, the Y direction. Create a keyframe by I and choose location. And I'm gonna bring the timeline up and change the keyframe, maybe something to 220, and GY I'm gonna move this direction and click I and choose add location cube. If I'm gonna click spacebar, my grass should be moving, yes, should be reacting to this turbulence force field and wind force field. Go on the render view, change this to shader editor and change this to world. You can add maybe sky texture and connect this to the background and add the value 0.5, click enter. Now select the plane. If you have Blender kit, change this to material and search for the grass material. Select the plane, go on the particle system, open children and select maybe first or second option. If I'm gonna just click spacebar, my hair particles should be moving. There is more complicated way, but it's better. Shift A on the mesh at cylinder, S, move the mouse to rescale it down. I'm gonna move this by GZ up and SZ to rescale it in the Z axis. Select the cylinder, click tab to go to the edit mode. Click 3 to the face selection, select this face and S to rescale it down right here. Something like that. Click tab to go to the object mode. Now you wanna select this cylinder and S, Y to rescale it in the Y axis down, SX to rescale it in the X axis, something like that. Now select the plane, go on the particle system and open the render, change this to the object. You wanna select of course this cylinder that we created and play around on the scale. Right here, this is my scale. You wanna add scale roundness right here to 1 and add the material on the cylinder. So once again, you have basically different kind of scale on the grass, yes? I hope you can see this. Subscribe if you like this content.